Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give us a call if you guys are looking to improve your credit score, lower your car payment, buy a car, trade in a car. If you're looking to purchase your first home, if you're looking to purchase a rental property, we can help you. Give us a call today, 877-205-7771. Talk to you guys soon, and thanks again. Hello everyone, this is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today we're going to talk about how to get a credit limit increase with American Express. All right. So for those of you who got a chance to watch my Discover video on how to get a credit limit increase with Discover, a lot of you all have been following that advice and you guys have been getting credit limit increases. So congratulations to you. So now we're going to talk about American Express. So now American Express is going to be a little bit different, mainly because they are actually looking for what I call a catch-22 situation. All right. So with your credit report, utilization is the second largest factor in what controls your actual credit score. Utilization makes up about 30% of your credit score. Now, the reason why I bring that up is because American Express is actually looking for you to use your card more than half, okay? So now, here's what I mean by more than half. Everyone's situation may be a little bit different. Clearly, if you have an $8,000 limit credit card and you're carrying over about $4,000 or whatever the case may be, they want to see good usage and they want to see like heavy usage. Somewhere between 70%, 80%, anything less than that, normally, people are using things for really small purchases, whether it be gas, Netflix, Hulu, Spotify, a gym membership, life insurance, something really small. There's nothing wrong with that. The credit report is looking for that type of activity. But American Express is essentially looking for ways to make money off of you because they make money when you carry over that balance until the following month. Now, how do you avoid that? Well, you really can't avoid the interest hit, unfortunately, because they want to see you use it. And then, of course, you can pay it down right away. So that seems to be the case. It's almost like in order for me to give you more, I need to see that you're using what I'm giving you and that you're paying me back without an issue. It's kind of crazy because doing so obviously would drop your score if it hits at a certain time. And let's be honest, that's too much to study. But if you really want to study it, you can make American Express happy as well as making the credit bureaus happy as well too. You probably won't make Credit Karma happy because that updates every single month. But it really all depends on when you buy your My FICO score as well too. Just because you order your FICO report or anything else, some of those reports update at different times. But one thing that's going to update the same exact time every single month is going to be your account statement date. So with those numbers being in mind, let's say, for example, you see your report, you make yourself feel better. But if you got like 3 or 4 credit monitoring, apps and things of that sort, you may get a lot of alerts saying, hey, your score went down, your score went up, because they're all updated in different time frames and they're going to see that American Express usage. So once they see that usage, then they're going to go ahead and then give you a credit limit increase. And yes, you can call to get a credit limit increase. And in most cases, they're going to do a soft pull, very similar to how Discover does it. They're going to ask about income. They're obviously going to see your payment history and how long you've had the card. But again, if you have like an entry level card where the limit is like 500, 1,000, 2,000, those numbers are very easy. But just be prepared to swipe the card, use it. I would say if I could throw a number at it, 75% usage. And then, once you do that, you let it sit for a month, and then obviously you make the payment and then pay it off in full and then do the same thing again. Now, I don't know if you necessarily have to do it every single month, because I've had clients get credit limit increases and then they always carry a balance every single month, but they did use a lot of it. They used it for a trip. It sat on there for a month, they paid it in full, then something else came up, they used it, so again, you gotta use the card. So unfortunately, using the card no longer qualifies as far as just making a small purchase. They want to see you almost max this card out. It's the craziest thing. If you don't believe me, call customer service yourself. And you'll find out for sure. But again, I'm telling you, that's exactly what customer service is telling my clients. I've seen it, of course, happen on a personal side myself. And that's exactly what's happening, is that these companies, they want to see usage, because at the end of the day, when you really think about their position, they're letting you borrow money. They're saying, listen, you asked us for something, we gave it to you. we get nothing in return if you pay this off, before the statement date hits or before the interest hits. I mean, so why would we give you a higher limit just so you won't use anymore? Now, granted, just if you're looking to have, a high limit in general. I don't know if it's something to talk about when you're with your guy friends, or ladies, if it's just something to talk about when you're with your girlfriends, or if it's something that you want to talk about at the dinner table, like, hey, I got a $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 limit with American Express. So granted, those numbers are not going to happen in a very short period of time. Usually that comes after building that relationship with them, using the card for major purchases, travel expenses, things of that sort. But again, you want to use a good amount of it, let it sit, and of course pay it down. Now, again, also accept the fact that it will fluctuate your score. So everyone can't do this, okay? Again, everyone cannot do this. If you're in the process of looking for a car, looking for a home, and you got that fluctuation in your score, or at the same time too, things happen. Things happen and you may not be able to pay that stuff back. So be careful trying to get a credit limit increase. Now, can you naturally get a credit limit increase with them just by paying some things on time? Possibly. But if you want to guarantee it, you got to use your card, and you got to use at least 75 to 80% of that card. Don't believe me? You'll see yourself. All right. So if you guys know of anyone that has an American Express card or has aspirations to get one, they need to see this video so they can understand how that process works, especially when you're trying to get a credit limit increase with American Express. All right. So if you like this video, like it, you want to share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe, as we have nothing but great content on the way. I don't know if you guys had time to check out that home buying course as well too. A lot of people are having success with that. So keep your eyes on that. Stay tuned, guys. Have a good one.